shadows. Trying to find a spark, trying not to let go. Running through fire, I'm turning it all into pure gold. When it's feeling dark, gotta let that light show. When it's feeling dark, gotta let that light show. Just watch me shine. Just watch me shine. I ain't hiding in the dark. I'm never gonna cover up. Just watch me shine. I was made to shine. Just watch me. Just watch me. I was made to shine. Just watch me. Just watch me. I was made to shine.
Siya yung tao na mas inuuna po niya yung ibang tao. Yung parang kahit na siya yung mawawalan pero binibigay pa rin niya yun sa may ibang tao yung para sa kanya. Pero siya yung tipo din na tao na sobrang bait niya. As in, mas iniintindi po niya yung gusto ng iba, yung kapakanan ng iba, ganyan, kesa sa amin.
Nag-wisdom, kaya tayo nabubuhay. May purpose yung ating buhay. So ang wish ko, habang binibless ka ng Lord, lalo kang nagiging active and alive sa pagsiserve sa Kanya.
Si Mami Net po yung namin, parang mami namin sa bahay nila Sophia. So, lagi niya kaming tinatanggap ng mga friendship tulad nila Laz, nila Bien, ni Jumer, na boyfriend ni Sophia. Saka, thank you rin po kay Mami Net dahil welcome na welcome kami sa bahay nila.
Ayan, so sana masaya ka sa birthday mo. Sana, ayan, kasi nung kabataan hindi mo na-experience yung ganitong party. So, ayan, sana masaya ka and gusto ko maraming birthday pa yung i-celebrate mo together. Kasama mo kami and sana good health. Ayan, good health and God bless you so much. Marami pang blessing.
Wish ko sa'yo, Balae, long life, good health, saka you grow old together with your, yung hubby mo, si Balae.
Alam mo naman ang buhay is ups and down. And I know na marami kang wishes sa Lord. Pero ang sabi ng Lord sa iyo, just wait His perfect time and plan. So ang sabi ni Lord, J-O-T-J-O. What's the meaning of that?
What?
Just trust, just obey, and trust Jesus.
Ayun.
So, more years to come.
I see you, the summer sun reflecting off the stream. The cardinal is shaking off its wings.
Thank you po for always accommodating us every time na umuwi kami ng Nueva Ecija. And sa sobrang dami niyo pong bisita, it shows na kung gaano kabuti yung puso niyo.
The leaves gently lift.
I know, in the 60 years ng buhay mo, nakita mo kung gaano kabuti ng Panginoon sa'yo. And panalangin ko na as you celebrate more years, you will still see how good God is sa buhay mo. At mapakita ng mga taong nakapaligid sa'yo kung sino yung meron ka.
I see you standing in a crowded subway train. Somehow when I look in every face, it feels like family. I'm thinking maybe I see you.
Ma'am, maraming maraming salamat sa pag-aalaga mo kay Enzo, kahit super likot na niya ngayon. And also kahit minsan hindi mo siya kayang pigilan, kinakaya mo pa rin.
Your heartbeat. Every sunset is a stained glass window. Every park bench is a pew. There's a sanctuary everywhere that I go.
Mami, ngayon isa ka ng legit senior. Sana wag mo kakalimutan yung ID mo. Kasi lagi tayo, pag lumalabas tayo, lagi mo nakakalimutan yung mga ID. So sana ngayon, senior ka na, wag mo kakalimutan. Para may discount tayo. Joke. Yun lang, sana maraming birthday pa tayong i-celebrate, Mami. And sana mag-enjoy ka ngayong gabi. Happy birthday.
Every sunset is a stained glass window. Every park bench is a pew.
Mapalad ako dahil kahit simple lang yung buhay namin, ayun, naidaos yung aking 60th birthday ng masaya, may blessing, at higit sa lahat, kasama ko kayo.